Hey everybody, Coach Clint here. The Ripstick is a genius device. It was invented by a man named Shuaib Islaam for keeping prisoners in shape while incarcerated. I'll leave you a link in the description on how you can get your own. I guess they sell for 67 bucks. Well, I made one for 10 bucks, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make your own for 10 bucks. And I'm gonna take you through a shoulder workout that I do with my homemade Ripstick. Okay, first we're going to do a simulated shoulder press. First of 3 exercises. So here we go. Now, first we're going to move the Ripstick in and out. Mr. Islam calls them clips, so that's what we'll call them. So 10 clips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll hold the 10th one apart. 10 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to rest for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll go down by 2, 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to hold for 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guessed it. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to press for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're going to rest for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. Press 2. 1, 2. Hold 2. 1, 2. Now we're done. We're going to take a 30-second break and do the same thing, ascending 1 to 9 by 2s. Okay, here we go. We're going to go from 1 up to 9, ascending. So here we go. 1 clip, 1, and 1 press. 1, hold for 1, and rest for 1, and 3. 1, 2, 3, press. 1, 2, 3, and hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Go for 5, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to hold for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to rest for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a good pre-workout? Or maybe you just need more energy to clean your house, cut your lawn, or keep up with the kids? Get Saba Ace with Chromin X3 Plus, an ingredient with outstanding results in clinical trials. For energy, focus, and fat burning, Saba Ace. Link in the description. Okay, shoulder exercise number 2. This is going to simulate your upright row, and you're going to get a lot of tension. Okay, so what I want you to do is take your ripstick and put your knuckles together. Hold it down at waist level, and the procedure is going to be pretty much the same. Here we go from 10 down to 2. Hold your ripstick apart, and we're going to do 10 clips this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want you to row up to eye level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to hold down at waist level. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to rest for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down and hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. Hold apart. 1, 2. 2 rows. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Now you're going to take 30 seconds rest and repeat the sequence from 1 going up to 9 by 2s. Okay, third exercise, and for the purpose of this exercise, I got to turn my back on you. I'm not being rude, but this is the way you got to do it. Now this is going to stimulate your shoulders and simulate upright flies that you do in the gym for your shoulders. So here we go, same kind of sequence. I'm going to turn around, and here we go. Okay, you're going to grab your ripstick and you're going to spread it out, right? And you're going to do 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold it apart. Now I want you to row up as high as you can, comfortably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now in the down position, I want you to hold it apart for 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing. We're going to rest for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eclipse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to hold apart for 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to hold for 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 clips. 1, 2, and hold for 2, or press for 2. 1, 2, sorry about that. Hold for 2. 1, 2, and now you're done. And that's the shoulder workout. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this thumbnail right here, and it'll show you a video on how to make your own homemade ripstick for 10 bucks. That's it. That's all. See you next time.